This machine door lock hole and hinge drilling machine with 3.6 machine body length. It can drill the door length 3.4 maximum. And this one is 2.6. This one 2.6 with 2.4 doors length. And I will show you how to start with the machine. Okay, we're choosing the door lock and confirm the dimension and start. These two machines are the same parts, but with a different length machine body. The model number is same. There are 4 motors with 4 drilling bits. The main important is this drilling, the grooving drilling bits, which is most expensive and powerful. These 4 small holes are for pallet, for screws. There are 4 spindles. You can set the different use, and with factory set the drilling first one for the grooving, edging, grooving. Now the milling blade for milling door lock hole.4个电机功率都一样吗？2.2。This milling motor is 6 kilowatt, and the other 3 motor is 2.2 kilowatt. Now it's milling the edge of the door lock installation hole. And the milling blades for milling the gap. 直接打那个，
打上黑呀。这个里头没有输黑，先输中。
And next we will drilling the holes for the hinges. Okay, confirm the depths.
因为这是
thickness
100，
比如说400，400可以吧？
不是这
是厚度，对厚度，对长度，这门的长度2220，第一个荷叶位置，比如说原来是250，第一个是250，比如说350，好比能过吗？
250 加100，350，
对，350。
355，让
好 ，OK， 好，一个就够，好 ，OK。Confirm the size. OK, start. This is the hinge size. We will drill one hose for hinges only, and you can customize a different hinge by choosing this shape. There are many shapes you can choose. For the door lock body, you can choose as well, and also you can customize different hinges if you didn't find them inside. Very easy to operate with this machine. Fully CNC, fully automatic control. Wow, it's very good, clean work. Very good. Okay, clean. There's no broken on the edges. Okay.